This house is too nice. Too much nice going on. For something so tragic. A Nerf fight. But how'd you know? We'll call it a guess. But a Nerf fight's so dangerous. Bullets everywhere. Even the ground. We knew that there was chaotic shooting. Gun left at the crime scene. And only one still around. Did you just drop a dart? Miss, what did you just throw? Another dart? Were you throwing evidence, ma'am? Ma'am, come here. Miss? Is that your ammo on the floor? Miss, what have you been eating? Have you been eating any substance tonight?
Nope.
Chocolate, maybe?
Me.
Were you sugar high
Are you
while Nerf gunning?
done? I can do the cookie. Yes.
Nika, I think we're done with the cookies here. Did you shoot up the place with Nerf darts?
Nope. 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 I can't. Cookie.
Do you eat cookies?
These are cookies.
Nikki, you know that this is a crime. What you did, Nerf gunning everywhere, while eating chocolate cookies,
Nope.
did you not?
Not. Hey.
I love you, Nika. Can I get a hug?
Hmm.
I love you.